This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
First, confirm your phone is 5G capable and supports sub-6 GHz bands like 3, 5 GHz. Check the phone settings or manufacturer specs for 5G compatibility and supported bands. Next, verify your SIM is 5G ready by visiting a DDoS store or requesting a replacement online. Bring valid ID and account details if you visit in person. Finally, ensure your phone runs Android 10 or iOS 14 or newer for best 5G support and modem firmware compatibility. Start by upgrading your plan to a DDoS 5G-enabled data plan online or at a store. Confirm your account reflects the 5G add-on or new tariff after purchase. Insert the 5G SIM, reboot the phone, and then enable 5G in the mobile network settings. Set the preferred network mode to 5G/4G/3G to allow fallback when needed. Wait for the phone to register. Confirm the NR or 5G icon appears in the status bar, indicating a successful connection. Position yourself in a confirmed 5G coverage area before testing performance and speeds. Run a speed test to verify throughput and latency compared to your 4G baseline. Update carrier settings, install phone firmware updates, and reboot the device to resolve registration issues. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear APN and protocol caches. Finally, contact DDoS support with your IMEI and SIM details and ask for provisioning confirmation and local tower status to complete troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.